Hey everyone, Patrick from High Performance Distributors here. So today we're going to do an unboxing of the new Traxxas Hoss. So this is a new platform, that Traxxas has released. Essentially, it's kind of like the Stampede, but it's got the motor of a Max 4S with the VXL 3S speed control, including the fan automatically in the box. So a little bit of a hybrid. It's kind of like taking the Stampede, taking the Max, putting them together. It's about the size of a Stampede, roughly, but it's kind of got the four-wheel drive Rustler chassis. So it's kind of this really neat hybrid thing that they've done, but the interesting angle is the motor of the Max is in here, the XL or the 540 XL motor. So a lot more torque than what we're used to in a 1/10 scale Traxxas. So that being said, let's cut the box open and have a quick look and see what we see. And there it is, the new Traxxas Hoss. So again, similar body style of the Stampede, but clipless body, just like the Rustler 4-wheel drive X Max Max series. So that's all their new vehicles. That's the way they're going. They have tailgate protector, the roof skids as well. And if you have a look at the chassis, that should look somewhat familiar, very similar to the Rustler 4-wheel drive. But look at the length of that motor. A little bit bigger motor than what we're used to seeing in Traxxas 1/10 scale vehicle. Few other interesting things. These are their new Sledgehammer tires, or re-released Sledgehammer tires. Receiver box, the bottom is integrated into the chassis now. Just the top cover is actually a separate piece, which is really cool. As I mentioned, fan included on the ESC as well. Wheelie bar is somewhat more integrated, a little bit of a newer design on that, and those are the new heavy-duty drive shafts as well. That's the main difference between anything else you've seen. So from the bottom, it looks a little bit more like a Rustler 4-wheel drive. Body on looks a little bit more like a Stampede. So there is a quick first look at the new Traxxas Hoss. Thanks for watching.